Welcome to the sixth tutorial of MakiCAD. In this video we are going to draw a 2D trip lever. Sorry, this is trip lever, not trip catch. So up till now we have discussed the use of mirror, copy, offset and polar array modification commands. And now in this video we are going to use two more modification commands named as the explode command and the fillet command. So without wasting time, let's get started. Click on the workspace file that we have created. If you don't know how we created it, then you can follow the link mentioned in the description. The workspace file is ready now. First, change your layer to drawing. Click on rectangle. Click here. Select dimensions and type 120 by 120 from your keyboard. Enter 120, enter. Now select this rectangle, square, and change its layer into the dimension layer. Press escape. Now click on circle, click center radius, click here and type 20 from your keyboard. Now what we have to do is to determine this center point. This distance means the x distance is 55 and the y distance is 42. So we have to make an offset of 42 and 55. So type offset from your keyboard OF, press enter, click through, select, what we have to do is to apply the explode command. Click on this rectangle and type explode X from your keyboard and press enter. Basically explode command is used to break an object into its component. Now when I type offset and click on through, instead of this whole rectangle only one line is selected, means the square is divided or break into its components. Now select this line, type 42 from keyboard and press enter. Again press this line and type 55 from keyboard and enter. In this way the center point is determined. Now what we have to do is to make a circle of radius 55. Click on circle, center radius and click here on the point of intersection and type 55 from your keyboard. Press enter. Now use the trim command. TR, double press enter, first enter, second enter. Now again use offset command to determine the center point of this circle. Offset is of distance 12. So escape, OF and press enter. Click on through, select this line and type 12 and press enter. Again select circle, click here on the point of intersection and type 12 from your keyboard. Now select this line, change its layer into drawing layer and select circle, tangent radius. Click here and click on this line and type 20 from your keyboard. Because this circle is of radius 20. Now what we have to do is draw a circle of radius 95 that is tangent to this circle and this. So again select tangent radius, click here and click here and type 95 from your keyboard and press enter. Now again click on tangent, radius, circle, click here, click on this arc and type 112 from your keyboard and press enter. So our final thing is to trim our drawing. Type TR from your keyboard, double press enter and start the trimming operations. This part and this part, this thing and this thing, this and this. Now select this line, change its layer into drawing layer, and our final step is to draw this arc of radius 20. We will make this arc by applying the fillet command. So escape, type F5 from your keyboard and select fillet. Select radius and specify the radius, that is 20, and press enter. Now select this line and this line. Our drawing is now completed. The final step is to make dimensions. Select dimensions, select linear, select radius, space to repeat the command, space, 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 linear, oh sorry, and these are dimensions and these are in dimension layer, so we have to change layer into its default. And this, click here and change it to default. Escape, again change it to default and click on linear, this point and this point, this is distance is 42, get linear, and this distance is 12. So now type empty from your keyboard, press enter. For texting, click here, change font size up to 7, press enter and type lever, trip lever. Our drawing is ready. The final step is saving your drawing. Click on save as, trip lever. Hope you like the video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.